However. However.
Used when you are about to say something which is surprising compared with what you have just said.
This is one possible solution to the problem. However, there are others. There may, however, be other reasons that we don't know about.
Well. Well.
Well. Well. Unwell. Well. Better. Best.
In addition to.
There are soft drinks as well as coffee and tea. They have lived in the United States as well as Britain.
In a complete way or as much as possible.
Stir the mixture well. I know him quite well.
Clearly. Clearly.
Clear, clear, unclear, clearly.
In a way that is easy to see, hear, read, or understand.
He spoke very clearly.
In a way that is not confused.
I'd had 2 hours sleep and wasn't thinking clearly.
Kilometre. Kilometre.
A unit of measurement equal to 1,000 meters.
It's 5 kilometers from my house.
Ruler. Ruler.
Rule, ruler, ruling, rule.
A flat, straight stick which is used to measure things.
Can I borrow your ruler? Sell. Sell. Seller, sell. Sold, sold.
To give something to someone else in return for money.
I sold him my car, or I sold my car to him for £600. We'll be selling the tickets at or for £50 each.
To offer something for people to buy.
Excuse me, do you sell newspapers? The stall sells drinks and snacks.
To be available for sale at a particular price.
The shirts are selling for £30 each.
Level. Level.
Level. Level.
Someone's ability compared to other people.
A course for beginner or elementary or intermediate or advanced level students. Students at this level require a lot of help.
Singer. Singer.
Singer. Singer.
Singer, singing, sing.
A person who sings, especially as a job.
Kiri Te Kanawa is a famous singer from New Zealand.
Leave. Leave.
Leave. Leave. Left, left.
To put something in a place and forget to take it with you when you go.
Hey, you've left your keys on the table. That's the second umbrella I've left on the train.
To put something in a place where it will stay.
You can leave your bags at reception. Why don't you leave the kids with me on Friday?
To put something somewhere for another person to have later.
I left some sandwiches for them to have later. Can I leave a message for Sue?
To not use all of something.
They'd eaten all the cake but they'd left some biscuits. Are there any sandwiches left? If you're having a bath, make sure you leave enough hot water for the rest of us. Lazy. Lazy. Laziness. Lazy.
Someone who is lazy does not like working or using any effort.
Get out of bed, you lazy thing. He's too lazy to walk to work.
Hey. Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Used as a way of attracting someone's attention, or as a greeting.
Hey, what are you doing with my car? Hey, are you guys coming to Angela's party?
moon, moon,
Moon. Moon.
The round object which moves in the sky around the Earth and can be seen at night.
We gazed at the moon. Clear. Clear. Clear, clear, unclear, clearly.
Easy to understand, hear, read, or see.
Clear instructions or directions. Can we make the sound any clearer? These photos are very clear.
If something is clear, you can see through it.
Clear glass. The water in the lake is so clear that you can see the bottom. Wish. Wish.
Something that you write at the end of a letter.
With best wishes, Anna.
Tram. Tram.
Tram. Tram.
An electric vehicle for carrying passengers, mostly in cities, which moves along metal lines in the road.
We took the tram to the city center.